So my role here as a facilitator with CG Select is, in addition to the in-person meetings that we have throughout the year, I host once a month a sales call. I really focus on what are the different things that we can do that I've learned over my 15 years of being in this business that'll really help increase our conversions, buy and sell more homes, and ultimately make more money and help change lives.
And my job is just find out if they're stuck and remind them where do they want to go, what do they want to do, and then do everything in my power, everything in the group's power to get them to the next level. If they're stuck, bring those lessons and help that person get unstuck.
So every month we hold a marketing call. On this call, we bring in some of the best and brightest minds for real estate marketing from across the United States. We have great vendors like Chuck Barnett from Direct One, Jason Lewis from Investor Machine, Christina Kraus from Postal Impact, that really get on there and create and drive engagement to capture the collective genius of the group. And then we're able to go back and execute those inside of our own businesses.